Today I'm gonna show you how to make these wing-a-dings. Wings-a-dings. All right, dude, today we're gonna go make some wings in a parking lot. I'm gonna just show you guys with these wings right here. These are just the flats. Flats are the best, by the way. So in this bowl, I'm doing this for a single batch. So I'm doing 1 cup soy sauce. And then I've got some Frank's Red Hot. You can use your favorite hot sauce for this. This one I think is king when it comes to wings. Doing, let's call it about 1/2 cup of Frank's. And then I'll do 2 cups of H2O. Then I'm gonna be doing maple sugar for my sugar. This is one of my favorites. If you don't have maple, do brown sugar, whatever the f you wanna do. Doing that, that's about 2 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Same thing with ginger powder. You can do fresh ginger and fresh garlic if you don't have the powders. And then I'm gonna do a sprig of thyme in there. Give it that little whiskey whisk. And there we go, there's my wing marinade. Now this as well, what you can do is just go ahead and keep some on the side, like that. And then you can just heat this up and this will be a really good wing sauce for when your wings are cooked to pour on top. So what I've got here is just a vacuum seal bag. You could do a Ziploc baggie or a container like this, whatever kind of container you got. And then we're gonna marinate them for about a day or 2. Whenever I work with baggies like this, I like to fold the outside like that, just so this part remains clean. So I have a clean seal. Now I'm just gonna stuff these in the bag and then I'll toss the brine in. As you can see, this is why it's helpful to have that flap folded over. Pour my brine in and there we go. Now if you have them in a container, you wanna make sure these are fully submerged. If it's not fully submerged, what I like to do is just add water till it's fully covered. And there we go, dude. These are gonna stay in the fridge marinating for about a day. I might let them go for 2 days for best results, but this is it. I've made these wings for like 4 or 5 years every day when I was working at a restaurant that served these. They're really freaking good. Called huli style, but not quite. A little change up here and there. Recipe should be down below. I also have a recipe on NFL's website. Little fact, I guess. Now we're gonna go cook them at the Ace Hardware parking lot because they have our spices. They're gonna carry our flake salts and our spices in the Ace Hardware store, so that's pretty cool. All right, dude, so right now, just trying to make this come to life. We got this Vogo charcoal that Tony brought here. It smells really good. If you guys can't smell this. Can you smell this through the camera? No, okay. This is just to mark off the wing. Here's the wings. These are not the same ones because obviously we didn't record it prior because Michael felt sick. So yeah, these are the wings in that marinade. We also got some of this Maui Wowie in there. So it's gonna be a nice caramelization going on. This is our charcoal ready to go. We're just gonna mark them off here. All right, dude, so right now what we're doing is we're just marking this off. Like I said, caramelization from this guy right here. Once that's good and marked off on both sides, we're gonna toss it into this Traeger. Don't turn away, because then this will happen right here, but it's all good. It's fine, it's just color. It's good char. Actually, this is kind of what I want right here. All right, dude, so like I mentioned, we marked them off right there. I got them in this container. I'm tossing them in this guy. Not my favorite, to be honest, these guys. It's like an oven, basically, so we're gonna use it like an oven. So this is what I would usually do with this recipe is I would mark them off, toss them in the oven, and let them cook all the way for a good 10 minutes or so. And I'm very like OCD. I have to have them all facing the same way. That kind of helps me out. Right now I'm just checking the temperature. We got this probe here. For chicken, we want it to be at 165 Fahrenheit. Whenever you're in a situation like this, like a parking lot serving to people, you gotta make sure it's safe, you know? If you're at home, just kind of break it open and you'll see. But all right, check it out, dude. That's done. Look at that color. Nice mahogany color, right, Tony? Here we go. We just serve it to the guy in the parking lot. We're not dealing drugs. We're dealing wings right now. Want a wing?
Thank you. Well, it was worth the wait.
There you go, sir. Thanks a lot. That's all there is to it. Chicken wings.